Funny story, I just arrived to the studio this morning and guess what? The gate is broken. So to access the parking, I need to unlock the gate, but it wasn't working this time around. So parked outside, went to see the owner, started to discuss, and they were actually looking for the person that installed the gate to fix it. And it raised a point in my head, and I wanted to do this topic with you today because I think it's actually really interesting. If the person that installed the gate before had a sticker inside the gate, so we're able to find all of his information, call him back for a service call, it would have been so much easier to fix this. But right now he's looking for a number and he might actually call another company because he's not able to find the right guy. So why are stickers so important? And I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of them. When you walk on in the street, you look at the door, there's actually a bunch of stickers. And these are business cards for you. So as an installer, it's a proof of a job well done. When someone installs it, whether it's residential or commercial, you did a good job installing the products. And not only that, but it helps for these service calls. So they don't need to look around when they need an upgrade on their building or just a quick fix. And what else? Well, good reference. You have neighbors, so people can actually talk with each other and refer you for an installation. So these stickers are actually really helpful. And if manufacturer does stickers like this, why not you? Why shouldn't you be doing stickers? So today, this is what we're actually looking at. How to design your sticker for free. So you don't need anybody, and trust me, it's much more easier than you think. So we'll go a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this using a web browser. That's it. All you need to do is go to the print shop, print your stickers, stick them on your excellent job. All right, let's get to it. All right, before we start, I understand why should you trust me. Well, I was a director of marketing for security manufacturers, and one of our primary products was actually selling these types of service to installers, because many installers don't have a marketing department, so we were creating brochures, designs, and also some stickers for them. So all of this stuff I've been doing for a long time, and I wanted to share that information, so the how-to for free with you guys, because it's possible and it's actually really easy. So first up, open up your web browser and we will go on photop.com. I'm sure you heard about Photoshop and all these design software. So this is kind of a free version of Photoshop that you can use online. Super easy to use. If you've used Photoshop before, same type of shortcuts. So again, you won't have to familiarize yourself with all the different settings in there. Now, when you open photop.com, first up, you need to create a new project. So you click on new project here, it will open a window, and we want to do a print. So you click on print on the top left. Now, some technicalities here. First off, we will not work in pixels. Since we're talking about print, either you will choose in inches or centimeters, millimeters. In our case, we'll choose inches. Then the size of your sticker. Again, keep in mind it goes on the window or the door of someone, so you don't want to take too much space, but just enough so people are actually able to see it and read what's on it. So good rule of thumb, I like to go 6x4. And next change is the DPI. So this is the dots per inch of ink inside your print. So when you're doing a print, you always want to have the highest quality image, so people are, again, able to read what's on it. So here we want to have 300 DPI. And again, this is the minimum. When you're doing a printing job, anything, whether it's your shirt, hat, or stickers like so, 300 is what you're looking for right here. Next is the background color of the sticker. So again, by default, you can choose white, black, transparent, or custom if you want to put any color in the background of your sticker. For now, we will go with black. And the profile, this is something we will change later on. Now you create your sticker, and here you have it. So you have your artboard where we will try and design this sticker for you. Now, I mentioned the profile, so we need to change the profile right here. So you click on image on the top left, you go inside mode, and you switch from RGB to CMYK. CMYK is the colors from the printer, RGB are the colors from your screen. So if you want to have exactly what you're looking for, it's better to change to CMYK. So this way what you're doing on your screen will actually be what you will be printed. So same colors, you don't have to worry about that. Next step, importing your logo. So either you've worked with a designer or you did it yourself, you should have a file with a high quality resolution of your logo. So we need either a .png file, a .sfg, .eps, so it's a lot of details, but the reason why we're looking for that kind of file is because they're transparent. So it won't affect the background we just created. So as you can see here, I have a SVG. I click on it, my logo appears, and we can see the black behind. If I exported a JPEG, so I will do that as an example for you guys. So same logo, but in JPEG version, it hides the background. So now you have like this white rectangle over my black background. It's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for to be able to design and add some stuff to my sticker right now. So I will delete the JPEG and bring back my logo right here. Now, a quick tip for you when you have your logo on the middle of your screen is to create it as a smart object. What that will do is that if you change the resolution of your logo, so you want it smaller, maybe on the top, or bigger so it covers the whole surface of the sticker, well, it will keep the source of your logo so it will not affect the quality of the image. To do so, you go on the right side of your screen, you right click on your logo, and here you do convert to smart object. This way now I can play with it, so by grabbing any kind of corner, and if I want to reduce it, make it bigger, it will not affect the dimension. But for myself, I kind of like the dimension I had right here. All right, now we will add some text. Again, when we're talking about Photoshop or Photopea like this, it's not hard. Anybody can do this. The big difference is that I know the shortcuts, so I will do it faster than you. But if you take your time and you look at what's on your toolbar, so on the left side of your screen, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now. So now to create some text, you need the text tool. So it's the T on the left side of your screen, or the shortcut will be again hitting the letter T on your keyboard. So now it opens my text box and I will create some text here. So now what do we want on our sticker? So with the text you can put your phone number so people are actually able to call you if they need any kind of help. You can also advertise your website. It's a good opportunity to put any kind of text you want. There's no limitation except the space on the sticker, right? You still want it to be somewhat aesthetic so people are able to have the information right away when they look at it. And you can also add a call to action. Maybe you want to add a discount on this sticker. So if someone refers you to someone else, well, they get a 10% discount directly when they get an installation. Or just maybe protected by. So that's what we will do right here. So let's go with protected by. As you can see, nothing is appearing on my screen because my background is black. So I need to change the color of my font. To do so, it's on the top of your screen. So you highlight your text, and here we will change the color to white. Not only that, but we can also change the size of the font. Again, make sure it's readable. That's the whole point of doing a sticker, is that people are actually able to see right away the information that's on it. So in our case, I think 24 pixel is fine, maybe in bold, and we will center the text right here. So this way it's protected by Pipl systems, which, you know, has a nice ring to it. Now, that's one text box. Now I want to add more because, as I mentioned before, okay, it's protected by Pipl system. How do I reach Pipl system? You want to cut the steps as much as possible so anyone see your sticker has all the information. So again, I open my text box tool, and here underneath my logo, I will add our website. So it's a good opportunity to have your website here. And right underneath, so you can always use the bounding on the box to make it bigger, larger, if you want to add text. So I will also add, for example, a phone number here. Now, as I mentioned, this is a platform that you can use for free and design your sticker for free. This is to save you money and also help you gain more leads. Again, the goal, having a sticker that you can create yourself, you only need to pay for the print job and this sticker will be in the window of all your customers. It saves you time, so you don't have to go around and look for designers. And again, if you actually like that kind of stuff, it's a nice tool to have to design other things for your marketing. All right, so again, basic sticker, this is what it would look like, but you need to remember some more steps when it goes to printing. So, job is done on our side, protected by Pipl systems. I have my website, I have my phone number. I'm sure that like this, people exactly know where to call if they need information. So when it's done, you go in File, you export as a PDF, and that's an important part because PDF will maintain all the characteristics of your sticker and it will make it easier to print. So you have a small preview here. So what we want to change is vectorize the text. Vectorizing means that the text will become images, so the font you use in your sticker, people won't need to download it to be able to print it. So it's a good way for the print job to save some time for them, or they will ask you for the font that you use, and then this exchange can be pretty long. Next is adding a margin. So you need bleed on your sticker when you're working with a print job. You can actually call them and ask them if they need a bleed, but more often than not, that's something that they will ask for. When we're talking about bleed for any kind of sticker, it's normally 0.125 inch. So here it will round up at 13. And what does that do? Well, it just gives more space, as you can see now, all the white around my sticker, for them to print and then cut your sticker. And you can also add some crop marks, so it will help them doing that cut. And you save. That's it, your sticker is created. So yes, our sticker is very simple, but if you're starting in the industry, it's a good way to start. Again, everything is free here, so you can design your sticker however we want. And not only that, but you can even add a QR code on your sticker if you want to redirect people to your website directly, or maybe directly to your technical support, so having all the information in one place. There is no limitation. You can add pictures of your employees or of yourself doing an install on that sticker, so the information is right there. People understand that, oh, this is a security install company. So the reference on the sticker, it builds a story. So don't limit yourself. The way we showed it is, again, if you're just starting your business and you want something to start, but you can always upgrade. And that's what is special with this software, is that you can come back to it, practice, and just upgrade any design you want. It can be the sticker, it can be for your shirts, hat, any kind of marketing you want to design. This is a tool you can use. And at the end of the day, we do it to have more job and help people have a more secure life and a peace of mind. And guys, I actually want to have your opinion on stickers. Do you use one? Do you have one? And how do you use it? Is it more for marketing purposes? Is it more for branding purposes? How do you see the sticker? And maybe send us pictures of your stickers. We have a social media either on Facebook or on LinkedIn or even here on YouTube, and we would like to see what you guys have in store. So why not share your story with us? All right, guys, I'm Jeremy from Pipl System. See you on the next one.